guys, and welcome back to my channel. I am here on Carnival Vista for an 8-day amazing cruise. We are going to St. Thomas, San Juan, St. Martin, and Celebration Key. So this was a amazing 8-day cruise, and I'm kicking it right here off on day 2. So thank you guys for watching and enjoy the vlog series. So I'm here getting my first drink of the cruise because yesterday I did nothing of the sort. I drank a lot of water yesterday. I was dehydrated. So, getting my first drink today. I'm in the atrium bar. Let me show you. So this is the atrium bar.
What is that you're making that's got 2 layers like that? A drink?
So it's the next day, and we are in beautiful St. Thomas, the U.S. Virgin Islands, one of my favorite islands. They have some of the most gorgeous views in the world, and I had a great time here. So let's get into it. All right, so I made it here to St. Thomas, one of my favorite ports because I love the beaches here. One of my favorite beaches is Trunk Bay. So, but we do get a good look at the ship now that we're off, and the mountains are just gorgeous, man. They are. I love it. Let me give you guys a view. So we are headed to Cocoa Beach, and just a heads up, if you're taking a taxi, it's going to be $14 per person. It's going to be $14 per person if you want to go to Cocoa Beach. So just giving y'all a heads up, even if you have a little child, $14 per person. Or do an excursion. Either way, you're going to pay. Alright guys, so I made it out here to Cocoa Beach. So if you do want to come out here, it's a free beach. It's definitely further away from the port. But so if you want to take that little trip, it's not a bad ride up here. A little bumpy, but the views are good coming up here. Cocoa Beach is nice. It's not Megan's Bay, it's not Trunk Bay, but they have food, drinks here, and it's a real chill vibe. They play music, and the water is still gorgeous. I mean, the water is gorgeous, so can't go wrong with Cocoa Beach. Gotta try it at least once, right? Let me show you the water though. So yeah, I'm gonna get into the water because I am hot. Hot. So I'm sitting here with my chair, which cost $7. And I think an umbrella was $15, but we got a space in the shade, so we didn't have to pay for the umbrella. But I did get a drink. This is some sort of mango, it was a mango daiquiri. And my food is coming. I ordered some chicken wings and some chicken tenders for Chloe. But yeah, having a good time here at Koki Beach. It's crowded though. I'm not gonna lie, it's crowded. Keep that in mind. You come in, I think it's like 3 ships in port, so it is crowded. But it's fun though. It's fun. So my food finally came, and I got the chicken nuggets and fries for Chloe, and I had the chicken wings with fries, and the food was definitely average and overpriced. I think it cost like $50 for everything. But if you are hungry, then this is the way to go. So this is the port area. They have all kind of jewelry and things like that, shops that you can shop for if you like. All the taxis let off here. You can catch the taxis here as well. So it's getting close time for people to get back on board. So it's a little crowded up in here. It's a little crowded, but it's okay. For that, this is the port for the U.S. Virgin Islands. There's also stores on the other side of the street as well. But yeah, there's gift shops, jewelry shops, things for whatever you want. There's a pharmacy not far, clothes, everything you want. They got Crocs store. You need some Crocs. They have a Crocs store. I mean, they have so many jewelry stores, it's ridiculous. But yeah, Pandora. It rains earlier, so that's why it's a little gloomy looking. Thank the Lord we got back just in time. There is the ship, Carnival Vista, my home away from home. We have the Adventure in back of us, the Royal Caribbean Adventure of the Seas. Icon is also here. It's parked at the other port, if you guys didn't know, but yeah, it's on the other side of where the other port is.
We are, Mama, we are.
Yeah, guys, so it has been a day. I had fun today, though. But we are on to the next port, which is St. Martin. So, St. Martin is our next port, and I'm excited. We're getting back on the ship, though, and I'm going to eat. We have reservations at Gigi's Asian Kitchen, so it is what it is. We'll see you back on the ship. All right, so I am on my way to Gigi's Asian Kitchen for dinner. We have reservations at 8 o'clock, and it's actually a little bit past 8, so I'm a little late, but I should be okay. Chloe's ready as well.
Mommy, take tours.
Okay, so yeah, like I said, I'm headed to eat dinner. So if you've never been to Gigi's, it's I think $24 per person, and I think it's $15 for a kid, if I'm not mistaken. If I'm wrong, I'm gonna put the actual correct price on there. And but yeah, I've already prepaid for this, so let's just go ahead and go. All right, so I'm here at Gigi's Asian Kitchen for dinner. So I will show you guys the menu. It's like a family style here, so you get a lot of food. So try not to order a lot, because it's gonna be a lot. I mean, last time it was so much. It was a lot of food. So now that I know how to order. The food here at Gigi's Asian Kitchen was definitely good. I still feel like I ordered a lot, even though I tried to hold back. But it's family style, so they give you a lot of food. But thankfully they did give me a to-go box, so I did pack it up and I took it back to the cabin. So I just finished eating at Gigi's Kitchen. It was a success. Loved it. Had a good time. It was a lot of food. Had to pack it up, take it back to the room. But now I'm trying to go see one of the production shows. I'm a little late, but hopefully I can make it in time. Hopefully I can make it in time to see it. So let's see. It starts at 9:30, which is, it exactly is 9:30. So I forgot what it's called, but we're headed there. Next time on Travel with Toy, I visit St. Martin for the very first time. And also, I get to visit one of the most iconic beaches in St. Martin. You do not want to miss this next video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.